Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a very simple, very summery yellow eyeshadow look for you guys today. I'm gonna be doing a new color block series on my channel and on my Instagram, and the first color is obviously yellow. So I hope you guys like this look. It's super easy. All you need is 2-3 eyeshadows, really only 2 eyeshadows, and some lashes. You don't even have to wear lashes if you don't want to. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you want to see me create this look, please keep watching. Okay. So, I usually don't do talk through tutorials, but this one is going to be super simple, so I figured why not just talk. So first thing I did is I used my Cetaphil moisturizer because I have really dry skin, and I also use the Cetaphil face soap when I wash my face or whatever. But yeah, that's all I use. I don't get into skincare or anything like that. I just don't care. I don't feel like doing all that. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this light color and mix it with this orange color. Make like a lightish orange color. See, this is why I don't do talk through, because I don't know how to explain stuff. And just take that in the crease with this is a Morphe brush. There is no number because this is old. But whatever, just take a blending brush and go in the crease. One thing that beauty brands need to work on, because eyeshadows don't show up on colored skin well. Like if you put this on someone that's lighter, it's gonna pop, but on me you can't see it. Like, I mean, you can see it, but this yellow color white, pat this all over. Plus and spray. See what that does. I usually don't use Fix Plus or matte shades, but I mean, it's making it pop a little bit. Oh,
He made that up. Well, the Kardashians kind of took over. I don't know. Maybe the Kardashians did use that first, and then Cardi B caught on to it, or whatever.
now I'm gonna go over that again with a bigger brush. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take this brush that we used at first, and I'm gonna pick up some more of the yellow, and I'm gonna put it in my crease to make everything blend out a little more.
Is my thing slipping back like Ray J out here?
Do is use this Wet n Wild Mega Liner and do a wing. Now I'm going to use mascara. I don't know what kind this is because the name rubbed off, but use whatever. I'm going to use the Fit Me foundation in 355. Mix it with the Fenty foundation in 360. 370. Spread it all around. Now I'm going to use my sponge from Real Techniques. Just blend that together. Next is concealer. I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape in Tan Sand under the eye. And I'm going to go pretty close to my liner to clean it up. I'm going to use this Maybelline powder. It's in a color medium.
I just put a lot at first. Mainly just where I put my concealer is where I put my powder.
Now take my mascara and go to the bottom lashes. Next, I'm going to use this NYX contour. I'm going to use this one that I obviously use all the time. And this big brush. Now I'm going to use this little e.l.f. brush concealer.
It's just like the perfect nose contour brush. That's what they should advertise it for. Contouring.
Y'all see that? Did I get a nose job? Or what? Cause put a little bit on the tip. NYX Dusty Rose blush. I don't know why it looks like that. It looks so nasty. I don't know why. Maybe it's time to get rid of it. Not gonna though. Fenty Baby Hustler Hustler. Whatever. On a Morphe 310 brush. Yes, hello. Salon Perfect 614 lashes. They're very wispy and very long. This is the Sephora Colorful Gloss Bomb in Virginia. I kind of like it. It's like not too much, but not too little. But yeah. This is the finished look. Super simple, super easy. Something colorful, but like not too in your face for people that want to try color but are scared or don't like too much color. It is good for summertime or springtime, or I mean even fall. You know, you can maybe darken it up a little, but yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel because I really want to grow this channel and I want to know what you guys want to see from me and what I can improve on or what I need to work on. I mean, I obviously need a better camera, but you know, I don't have, you know, $600 to spend on a camera, but if I did, I could. If I could, I would. But yeah, let me know what you want to see next videos. I think I'm going to do a back to school tutorial next. So if you guys are interested, please be on the lookout for that. But like I said, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll put all of that in the description. And if you missed any of the products that I use, I'll put that in the description below too. But thank you guys so much, and this is the look again. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
They are so loud and annoying up there. Like, I don't know what it is about certain eyeshadows. Like, you see that right there? How it just, the color just got up and left? Like, where the fuck are you going?